Welcome back to Rock Reacts. EJ. Everybody's obsessed with EJ, including moi, yours truly, and including my dog. She's obsessed with EJ. She's like, oh, you're going to react to EJ. Okay. We're going to analyze EJ's vocals. EJ is very near and dear to my heart because she got a lot of, I don't know, she got a lot of flack, I think. She had bronchitis, and that affected her voice, and people were saying she couldn't sing and blah, blah, blah. And I had something similar where I lost my voice due to COVID. And yeah, it was a really, really bad time for me. So I can really empathize with her. But this is a new song by her. It's called In Another World. This is the official music video. I mean, I'm not sure if it's a new song or not, but I mean, technically, I think it is. Anyway, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. I just see these things that just came up, and I was like, oh, I got to check that out. And so I just get too excited. But here we go.
I was thinking about space and not the one between us, where we can take 1,000 worries and leave them there.
If you're not listening with headphones to this song, and I always put links to the song where you can go and actually listen to the song without me stopping and yapping over it, but I'm just like, so I'm going to be listening to this song over and over again after, because her voice is so subtle and sweet with that piano, and it's so haunting. I'm just wondering what this is going to be about. Like, it looks like her as a child, and God, wow, it's bringing up some feels already.
Nothing falls, nothing fades, nothing withers away. I was thinking about space and not the one between us.
And that's just it. I was thinking about space, another one between us. It's so just close and intimate and sweet and haunting at the same time. It's just like, ooh, I'm getting chills. I'm getting chills just thinking about this.
Maybe in another world, where I own that I'm jealous and I did some damage to us. Maybe we will never know, 'cause the truth is on silent, but our egos are talking loud. You hear where it hurts, 'cause I gave you the bullets. Maybe in another world.
She's really taking a breathy approach to this. Now, I know that I've listened to, I mean, I haven't heard a ton of EJ singing, but she does, I think, tend to kind of sing a bit more breathy, you know, on the kind of this very soft, very sweet, you know, without that. And when you brighten up that, you know, close your vocal folds, like kind of close them down instead of letting more air through it, it just has this kind of bright, and it can be too tinny and too harsh for the song. And so this song really, really lends itself to that breathy tone. It's just beautiful.
Swear there's a world, you dealt with your things, I dealt with my things. No, there's a place when we're offbeat, we're finally in sync.
Okay, so there she's like, okay, so the music's kind of amping up, the song's going somewhere else, so she's closing the vocal folds up a little more, because so so that's the difference between the two. She kind of adds a bit more of a direct sound, a bit more of a cutting sound, not cutting in a bad way, not, you know, but like cutting through the mix, you know, a bit more present.
Well, I feel okay and I feel no pain, and all my resentment got nothing to say before everything changed. Maybe in another world, where I own that I'm jealous and I did some damage to us. Maybe we will never know, 'cause the truth is on silent, but our egos are talking loud. You hear where it hurts, 'cause I gave you the bullets. Maybe in another world.
just so good. I mean, so far. It's just like on that, when she goes up to this higher point
I did some damage to us.
on this.
Maybe in another world where I own that I'm jealous and I did some damage to us. Maybe we will never know, cause the truth is on silent, but our egos are talking loud. You hear where it hurts, cause I gave you the bullet.
Okay, you hear where it hurts, cause I gave you the bullet. And she's really just lifting up into that and really delivering like a powerful vocal on that. Really.
Maybe in another world. Maybe in another world where I own that I'm jealous and I did some damage to us. Maybe we will never know, cause the truth is on silent, but our egos are talking loud.
Oh man, this is like, you know, I know that like she wrote Golden apparently. I don't know if she wrote with somebody else, I think, but this reminds me of that kind of triumphant, that triumphant feel that Golden has with it. And maybe it's partially because it's her voice, but man, when she comes into this is like,
Maybe in another world where I own that I'm jealous and I did some damage to us. Maybe we will never know, cause the truth is on silent, but our egos are talking loud.
oh, on that, like, oh man, it's just giving me chills. You hear her that kind of little start of the breath. Oh, the heroes and heroes and there's a little bit of a breath starting off, but she locks her vocal folds in and makes this beautiful, bright kind of belt through there. Ah. Oh, how I don't even know what note that's like off the charts, man. This is like, oh, what is that? No. Oh.
Maybe in another world. I was thinking about space and not the one between us.
Oh, think about space and not the one between us. Oh, in another world. That means like, is that like, oh, that's cute. Oh, she did a little bow. Oh, it looked like it was little EJAE did a little bow. Wow, man, that's just like the K-pop stuff. Like they train from like babies. It's like they come out of the womb and it's like, you must train to sing and be the best in the world. And that just comes off like that, just that sheer drive to be musically great. Anyway, wow. Let me know what you think of that. Let me know what you think of that in the comments below as I go off and stumble over my tongue. Thanks for watching Rock React. See you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye.